We are currently on vacation with this little buck right here. Yeah, in Carinthia, which is part of Austria, and we are staying at a vegan hotel here, which is one of a few, I think, and yeah, which is really nice because we don't have to think about anything while being on vacation concerning vegan food, bed sheets, and all the other stuff that's around us because everything is vegan. And yeah, so what we are doing here is we are most of the time hiking and eating and sleeping, and we're also planning a few things that are going to be new on my website soon concerning my shop. So yeah, but now hiking, so come along with me. Knowing the more obligation that I have to educate people and to constantly speak up for animals, and it's actually a good thing. But of course, when you're on vacation, you need this break, and yeah, it's just a struggle, I guess, from within where you're like, okay, well, the animals don't get a break. But what I found out is that it's super important, and I might do a separate video about this, is that you actually take time for yourself, and you take time to heal, and you take time to just take care of yourself. So self-care and inner growth, and just, I guess, thinking about yourself and about the happiness that you want to feel. And it all got me started when I was on this retreat just before I went on vacation here. It was a 5-day retreat with yoga and yeah, I'd say like more spiritual rituals, and just I had a lot of time to think about myself and where I want to go in life and what I want to achieve in life and what I want to stand for and work towards to. And yeah, I should definitely do an extra video on this because it was just overwhelmingly wonderful for me. I cried a lot, but it was happy tears and it was relieving tears. And yeah, I don't know where I wanted to go with this, but I just had the feeling of telling you. So yeah, all right. Yeah, I know, again. So to actually, when you're on vacation, take time for yourself, take time for healing, and take time for your interests besides what you do each day. And I think I found this to be very important. So yeah.
Transition time.
So you see, if you know about the animal industry, you can walk past something like this. They're like houses full of bees, so beekeepers keep them there, and they just keep them there not to take care of them and yeah, to keep them safe, but to actually exploit them. So the only The only reason why they are there is to take away their honey, which is not meant for humans, but for them, for their babies. And if we take away their honey, the immune system is not going to be fine, and they will die earlier and a sooner death. I posted about this yesterday, and if you think about it, one bee who lives 5 to 6 weeks, a worker bee, she gets 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey, and now you can do the math and see how many bees it needs to actually fill a glass full of honey, and we're taking it from them. So massive exploitation right here. So if you open your eyes to the suffering and the pain that we are causing on non-human animals, you can see it everywhere, especially on a countryside where it's mostly hidden, but it's so obvious because it's claimed to be normal and natural to just take the natural honey off of bees.
Warten.
Really sad when you look at it, because this is like 0 point whatever % of individuals who are able to live or to be on a meadow, but it looks like they're okay, but in reality they are not okay, because them as well will be put on a slaughterhouse truck one day and killed against their will. And you can also see a lot of babies here. So those babies are from mothers who got forcefully impregnated to get the mother's milk so humans can drink it. And later on, these babies will be sold to be fed up, to be meat, and yeah, sooner or later to be killed against the will as well. So yeah, don't believe the lies. Don't think this is all wonderful and they have a beautiful life. I mean, they do up until the point when they're seen, I mean, they're always seen as a commodity, and they're always seen as a product and a number, a profit, and that's why they are here. This is not a sanctuary, this is the animal industry, and they're put here to be one day be on somebody else's plate, on a plate of a human, and this is not how it should be.
Hey.
And they're so interested about giving food. Oh,
Baby. Warte.
the pine cone.
Yes.
Yep. Fine.
Jawohl. Wo ist er?
She loves playing with pine cones. My stepdad once, threw one, and since then she's obsessed with pine cones.
Gesundheit. Lavend. Willkommen auf YouTube.
So the last couple of days were super relaxing, mixed with a lot of hiking, where we just started hiking and then kind of realized, okay, well, we are a little bit more tired than we actually thought we were, but we pushed through. And yeah, so what we really loved about it is that we had some time to take off of social media, of the work that we do, and yeah, just be together as a family and document it a little bit for you. And yeah, we really enjoyed the food. We really enjoyed sleeping more than usual. And what else, Kevin?
I don't know. Food.
The food. I already said the food. And we enjoyed walking around with Sam, letting her off the leash whenever it's possible for her safety. And yeah, we enjoyed nature, because when you look around here, I mean, it's super beautiful, and yeah, it's actually it sometimes hits you hard when you realize that we're all taking this for granted somehow, and yeah, we should all do better and always try better to keep it the way it is, even though it will change in the future. But yeah, you all take part in this and how fast everything will change. And yeah, I guess enjoy it as long as we have it. Not to be too pessimistic about it, but yeah. And don't hurt animals, because I think it's the least that we can do.